in Budds Creek, Maryland. Third and final round of the bLUcRU Invitational. The rain has let up a bit, but you know, it's still drizzling out there. Track's not bad, actually. It's better than I thought it was going to be, but yeah, we had a little seminar in there, let them eat lunch, and opened up the track. 30-minute sessions for the big bikes and 30 for the little bikes, and I'm pretty impressed. There's more than I thought were going to come out. So hats off to those guys, and hopefully you learned something along the way. As much as kids have a short attention span, they still do listen, and it's probably more the parents listened and said, hey, let's go get a towel and zip tie to little Billy's pants. But looks like everyone's off the track now, so looking forward to tomorrow.
Great.
Weather's starting to come around.
Guys got a little riding in. We get a little vacation time.
Did you get your nap in? That's
not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Little photo booth here at the dinner here tonight here at Budds Creek. So yeah, it's good.
Craiglow, the little one over there, it looked like he was going straight for the brownies right now, but it looks like he might actually get some real food, but we'll see.
He doesn't even know. You guys told him 3 times.
Yeah, it's what happens.
He doesn't realize it. He's just wide open on the throttle.
It's not your fault they took the bad line, right?
I took the pro line.
It's been a really good weekend. We actually pulled a 125 off the showroom floor this weekend to come out here and race. The SuperFinale, and I showed up and realized you got to be 16 years old, and I'm 17. So we just signed up for Schoolboy 1, and we're just out here having some fun on the 250 and the 125 this weekend.
We're at Budds Creek. Felt good. The track was sick all week. If I got picked, it would be so sick. We were all going to be on Yamaha. I think I have a pretty good shot of winning. Just get good starts all weekend like we got here, and if I do that, I think I have a pretty good position of winning. Well, yeah, I was like wondering if 125s would hit it. I didn't see one, so I was like, I guess I have to put the test on me because I wanted to hit it, and I sent it, and I made it perfect. All you guys out there, just try your best and have fun. That's all this moto happens. Tomorrow's the big finale. That's where we qualify for Europe. So let's go.
So yeah, we just finished up, just gave out all of our trophies, and yeah, we're gonna get the kids on their way home, and had a great event. Every Yamaha owner, if you own a Yamaha, YZ, TTR, PW, any year, you are invited. If you are a Yamaha owner, you are invited. That's why we call it the Yamaha bLUcRU Invitational. All you gotta do is be a Yamaha owner, and you are invited to come out to these events. Saturday night is always one of the favorites, so we do a big bLUcRU family dinner. I invite all the families to come, the racers to come. We have the ambassadors there. We do a really fun question and answer, so we invite the crowd to ask the questions. That way they can learn what they want to learn. The ambassadors love telling stories. And then we have a lot of raffles. We give away some great prizes, some Yeti coolers, some OGO duffel bags. And then this year we wanted to really reward, or this event, I'm sorry, we wanted to really reward the people that came out because they braved the rain, they braved the heat. So we gave away a Yamaha e-bike as a special prize on Saturday evening to one lucky kid, and he was over the moon excited.
I just won this Yamaha brand new e-bike, and I'm pumped. Thank you so much, Yamaha.
Just try to appreciate them and make these little guys' dreams come true, and they get family adventures, and so much more comes out of it than just twisting the throttle.